Maximize value without major renovations. Want to get top dollar for a Citrus County home without spending thousands on renovations? Let me show you 5 simple upgrades with big returns. Tip 1. Curb appeal. First impressions matter. A little landscaping, fresh mulch, and a pressure washed driveway can boost your home's value by up to 12%. Tip 2. Fresh paint. Fresh coat of neutral paint instantly makes your home feel bigger, brighter, and move-in ready, often returning more than double what you spend. Tip 3. Update lighting. Swap out old light fixtures and add warm LED bulbs. Good lighting makes your home feel modern and inviting. Tip 4. Declutter and depersonalize. Less is more. Clear off counters, pack away family photos, and let buyers imagine themselves in your home. Tip 5. Small fixes. Don't overlook the details. Fix squeaky doors, update cabinets and hardware. Swap out faucets. Those small touches show your home is well cared for. We offer additional secrets to selling your home fast and for top dollar. Get ahead of the competition with our free report featuring 27 essential tips. Scan the QR code to claim now. White glove service, red carpet treatment. Let RES Luxury Group help you find a buyer for your home.